There are two walls of despair in the universe. One hangs above our heads. It's called the speed of light. The other hides beneath our feet. It's called absolute zero. The speed of light is an upper limit you can't reach no matter how hard you run. Absolute zero is a lower limit you can't touch even if you freeze to ashes. The sun's core, at 27 million degrees Fahrenheit, can vaporize anything instantly. But absolute zero is 10,000 times more terrifying. At least high temperatures let molecules party and dance around. But absolute zero hits the pause button on the entire universe. All chemical reactions stop. The concept of time becomes meaningless, and even light turns as thick as glue. The creepiest part? The universe wrote a bug into its source code that forbids any matter from reaching this temperature. Ancient people didn't even have thermometers. How would they know about this gateway to hell? We have to go back over 200 years to French scientist Joseph Gay-Lussac and his seemingly simple gas experiment. He discovered that when temperature drops, gas volume shrinks proportionally. Following this pattern on a graph, the line actually pierces the axis at negative 459 degrees Fahrenheit. This means at that temperature, volume reaches zero and matter disappears. How could matter just vanish into thin air? That's when Gay-Lussac realized, it's not disappearing. This is the universe drawing a red line. No entry beyond this point. Later, through precise measurements, this death coordinate was pinpointed at negative 459.67 degrees Fahrenheit. This is absolute zero, a cosmic forbidden zone calculated purely through math. Why this specific number? It actually exposes the fact that our Fahrenheit scale is just a human-made ruler based on water freezing and boiling points. But on the universe's scale, the Kelvin temperature scale, absolute zero is simply 0 Kelvin, clean and simple. That negative 459.67 degrees Fahrenheit is just the echo when human standards collide with cosmic truth. So how terrifying is this temperature exactly? Forget about the North and South poles. They're basically saunas compared to this. Temperature is fundamentally about atoms moving. Boiling water is molecules dancing. Freezing is molecules standing at attention. And absolute zero? It makes every atom in the universe stand completely still in total silence. If you were thrown into this environment, the tens of trillions of cells in your body would be frozen in time within a billionth of a second, not frozen solid, paused. Your thoughts, heartbeat, and blood would solidify instantly, turning you into an eternal cosmic amber. Because atoms stop moving, even bacteria can't decompose you. You'd actually achieve a certain kind of immortality. But is this eternal life? No, it's the cruelest paradox. You do become eternal, but you permanently lose the ability to experience that eternity. Even more absurd, when you get infinitely close to this temperature, the laws of physics start going haywire. The first trick is called superconductivity. In 1911, Heikki Kamerlingh Onnes cooled mercury to around negative 452 degrees and discovered its electrical resistance dropped to zero. Electric current could flow without any loss forever. It's basically a cheat code for physics. Modern MRI machines and magnetic levitation all depend on this trick. The second one is even weirder. It's called superfluidity. Cool helium gas down to around negative 456 degrees and it becomes liquid. This stuff acts like it has a soul. It has absolutely no viscosity and can climb up the walls of a container and escape on its own. Scientists thought the lab was haunted the first time they saw this. If that's not wild enough, the Bose-Einstein condensate, or BEC, created in 1995 is absolutely mind-blowing. When extremely close to absolute zero, thousands of atoms suddenly lose their individuality and merge into a single entity, moving in perfect unison. This isn't just orderly, it's souls merging together. You might be wondering, is there anywhere in the universe this cold? Yes, and it's colder than the cosmic background radiation. The Boomerang Nebula, 5,000 light-years from Earth, has a temperature as low as negative 458 degrees, only 1 degree above absolute zero. It's expanding and cooling rapidly like a deflating balloon, even colder than the afterglow of the Big Bang at negative 454 degrees. This actually hints at the universe's cruel endgame, entropy. Heat always flows toward cold until everything evens out. Stars burn out, black holes evaporate, and the universe will eventually reach a deathly cold silence. This is heat death, the final form of absolute zero. So the speed of light locks down our space and keeps us from getting out. Absolute zero locks down time and keeps us from stopping. These two walls trap civilization on an island in space-time. But But humanity is stubborn. We use extreme cold for superconductivity and explore condensed matter to try to decode space-time. Every degree of cold we break through is us peeking at the universe's hand. If we ever truly break this taboo, would time reverse, or would the universe reboot? Nobody knows. We only know that before that frozen abyss swallows everything, every charge humanity makes toward it is proof of our civilization's defiance.